son. It's just a body that I feed and wash and clothe.
The obsessive personality.
Can our son lead a normal life?
Define normal.
Tasmanian devil is in Kent County Memorial Hospital tonight with a fractured neck.
If you let me do the fusion, I can guarantee you'll be able to walk again.
I need to be able to fight again.
Me.
And not fusing my neck.
But I'm gonna kill myself. I just thought that an adult should know.
Wow. Well, actually, I was writing my own suicide note just now. I have 32 fleeting minutes of happiness during lunch, which has been eaten up again and again by the same especially badly dressed student.
What the hell is your delay, Captain?
We're waiting, sir.
Waiting for what?
Private Doss.
Who the hell is Private Doss?
Hey, Walter, is the family coming for Christmas?
Every single one of them.
Rachel. Where's husband?
Ex-husband.
Oh.
Hey, Rachel. You know he's single.
Okay, Mama.
You're at the top of everyone's list when it comes to translations.
Priority 1. What do they want? Where are they from? You'll be reporting to me, but you'll be working with him when you're in the show.
That's what they call him, the UFO.
Why do I live in a heavily fortified survival bunker? Because right outside my door lurks a nightmare. Named Poppy.
A 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody!
What if I told you the reality you know is one of many?
This doesn't make any sense.
Not everything does. Not everything has to.
You've known for 24 hours that an unregistered wizard set magical beasts loose in New York.
Yes.
Where is this man?